What's up guys, it's your boy Ty and I'm back with another review. Today we're going to be reviewing a quality boom arm stand, and this boom arm stand comes from Maono. Maono sent me this boom arm, but they didn't pay me, so you guys know I'm going to give you nothing but the truth. And this is Maono's newest boom arm. It is the BA92, and this boom arm stand has some pretty dope features. Let's check it out. Some of the standout features of this boom arm is it's compatible with professional microphones, most microphones, easy to attach to a desk clamp, standard 3/8 and 5/8 thread. It has 360 rotating ability. Cable management, which is so important. Cable management can be a game changer for you. It can be the reason you go and buy another microphone stand. And it also has 95-degree vertical ability. Let's see what's in the box. I gotta say this. I said this when I did my review about the Maono PD400X microphone. Maono does a great job of packaging and just making you feel like you're just about to open the best gift ever. The packaging is so smooth and sleek. Maono really does outdo themselves when it comes to the quality they bring. You know, you feel like you're opening something that's premium. Okay, once we open the box, of course we have the manual. It'll show you how to set this thing up, but of course you can keep watching this and I got you. Okay, you have your swivel where you're gonna connect your microphone to. Granted, kind of like right here, connect your microphone to this part. Oh yeah, you can tell that this is premium quality because man, it's heavy, nice aluminum. Can you hear that? So it's hollow, so you can run your cables through. Man, I'm excited to put this up. Another arm. Another arm. And you kind of can just see how this thing is gonna go. You're gonna attach a microphone. You're gonna put this in here. It's pretty textbook. Easy peasy. And I'm gonna show you guys how to put it all together and what it looks like. And your desk clamp. Oh man, this desk clamp is heavy. So, okay, what you guys see right here is my Gatorworks arm. I use this for my XLR, and of course it comes from the overhead. This comes in low. This is kind of a low profile one, which I like. And this is heavy. Heavy means quality. So a lot of times you get those microphone arms, they're all flimsy. I have multiple because sometimes I just set my podcast up and I just, have arms that I can move around freely and I pop them up, whatever. I pack them up in my bag. But this is one of those ones that you definitely want this on your desk. This looks awesome. You can set this up behind your computer monitor and have your microphone swing out and then just swing it back. It's so low. I like it. So these are the pieces. It came 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 simple pieces. Pretty simple. And they also give you this Allen wrench. They also give you this Allen wrench, and this is going to be used to tighten this thing up. And let me show you guys how you would put it together. All right, so for this example, I'm going to be hooking it up to this little table. I sometimes use this little table to do my podcasting on, especially if I'm not going to record a video with it. I just set up, a boom arm and have my recorder, my Zoom P4 or whatever I'm recording with, my audio interface, and I just go. Typically, I use my Maono BA92 and this microphone is a beast too. If you haven't checked this out by Maono, make sure you check it out. I love this microphone. It is, to me, Maono's best dynamic microphone, especially for the price. You know, you can use XLR or, you know, USB-C, but we're talking about the boom arm, right? So typically that's what I do. I set this up and have either my phone sometimes or my interface, depends on what type of podcasting I'm about to do, and I just connect it to this table. Yeah, you can connect the boom arm too behind your computer, but I just want to show you guys how you would set your boom arm up. Okay, first we're gonna start with this piece, the desk clamp. Simply clamp it to the back. So as you guys can see, that's pretty simple. Simple clamp, put it on and twist. Clean, this is clean, and this is pretty strong for you guys that think might be weak. That's clean, I didn't even have to apply that much pressure to twist it. Clean setup. Next, we're gonna put it in the second piece that goes in that arm. And just to show you guys the cable route, it's easy to pop this on and off. It says attach and detach with a simple slide. So it's open. To put this back, all you do is slide it back. Man, that's so easy. Dang, that's so easy. You see me looking at my other microphone arm. It ain't that easy. So you just slide up and down to detach that piece, and that's where you can, you know, hide your cables and run your cables effectively at. But you just sit this one in here, and now you have something that looks like this. I'm not gonna tighten everything up until I know exactly how I want it once I attach the microphone. Next, I'm gonna attach this piece that sits right in that other piece. You're gonna get something like this. You can set it up however you want. Easy, easy peasy. And now we're gonna attach the microphone. Next, before you attach the microphone, you have to attach this little piece to the end of the boom arm. This can be a little tricky, so make sure you're paying attention. Hold it with two hands because the piece might fall out. And you just unscrew that a little, put it around that, and then screw it back down. It's noted, don't try to put it all the way on the microphone. You might be going too far. Pull it back just a little bit. It should be about a centimeter in between that and the boom arm. So it should look something like this. And this piece can move, and this is where you attach your microphone. So you guys know the Maono BA92 does come with its own little stand, but we're gonna take it off the stand and see if this boom arm can handle one of its own. And I'm happy to let you know it's a perfect fit. I didn't have to change any of the attachments. It's a perfect fit for the threads that are on the Maono BA92 So this is what we have. Now I'm gonna show you some of the different angles this boom arm can get to. Okay, so you can stay low if you like. You can come up high if you like. It can go straight up. So if you want to stand up and sing, if you want to reach out to others, or again, if this is going to go behind your computer screen, this short first bar gives you a good clearance, good range of clearance. be sure to remember that your cables are back here, and soon as it comes out, you can hide your cables in these tracks and go straight to your device, so your cables aren't everywhere. I gotta say, I like it. So, would I recommend this boom arm? Absolutely. The Maono BA92 has a lot of different features. You can put it up high, you can put it down low. And, you know, if you're a fan of mono and you have the mixer, the microphone, you might as well get the boom arm to set it off. Again, I love their microphone. You guys can hear it sounds awesome. So make sure you check out the Maono BA92. Like I said, if you are looking for a good boom arm to go behind your computer screen, things like that, and want a little versatility that you can set it up, make sure you check it out. It will be a great addition. So those are my thoughts on the Maono BA92 Boom Arm. Make sure you check it out. Peace.